Alright friends, let's look at how to use if statement with string. So we will focus only the if usage. I define a string, call message. I say string, and then message. So I set its value to hello. Okay. And I open my if condition. I want to check if message equals to hello. So if it is, the code inside the if block will run. So I say system.out.print or println, doesn't matter. I call it works. It works. Okay. So I come here. I already compile it. I run it. You see it works up here. But be careful, it's case sensitive. I mean, if I change lowercase h to uppercase h and I save it, I run it again, you see nothing appears on the screen because it's case sensitive. It's so important. I mean, lowercase letter and uppercase letter are different each other. So every character should be exactly same in a string when we compare it. I hope you understand the logic. Okay,